laten handbagage uit de bagagebakken kan vallen als u deze opent. En graag brengen wij de voordelen van het Air France KLM Frequent Flyer programma Flying Blue onder uw aandacht. Mocht u interesse hebben, dan kunt u zich aanmelden op deze vlucht of registreren via klm.com. KLM is ook via Facebook en Twitter 24 uur per dag bereikbaar en reageert binnen 1 uur op uw bericht. Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign will be switched off in a few minutes. However, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Please be careful when opening the luggage bins, as hand luggage may fall out unexpectedly. And we would like to draw your attention to the benefits for being a member of our Air France KLM Frequent Flyer program Flying Blue. If you're interested, you can sign up during this flight or register via the website klm.com. KLM can also be contacted via Facebook and Twitter 24 hours a day, and they will respond to your message within